boys and girls. My name is Shahriel and welcome to Bulls Amphitheater for High Flyers. Now this morning we're going to take you on a flight and journey through this colorful and wonderful world of birds. Now we hope that you will be amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to help our pheasant friends from across the world. Right now we're going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws in the wild. Now in the wild, macaws will congregate on palm trees to feast on palm nuts. Everyone, look up there. We have replicas of palm leaves where some birds are going to be landing on it. So everybody, let's welcome the birds. Look up there, and here comes Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. Come on out here, Gaia, this way. Oh, look at that blue bird flying. Gaia has got one more friend. Look up there once again, and here comes Lambo, our scarlet macaw. Now these beautiful birds can be found in the jungles of South America. In the wild, after feeding, they often go to rocky surfaces just like this to lick up clay or chalk. Well, this helps them in the digestion of unripe fruits or palm nuts that they have eaten. Looks like the macaws are very happy having their snacks right up there, but not to worry because this will be their next stop. Okay, now we have more birds joining us right now. Birds gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. In fact, we're going to have a little competition to see who is better at gathering food. Now my friends and supporters, so you will be supporting people on this side. You will support Zonda, our blue and gold macaw. Everyone clap your hands and go Zonda, 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 Zonda. Okay, stop. How was that? Very good. Okay, people on this side, you will support Barry, our green wing macaw. Do the same thing. Come on, clap your hands and go Barry, Barry, Barry. Okay, stop. Please, how was it? Very good. Okay, let's do the table. What I have here is a hollow tree trunk. What these two birds have to do is to gather for fruit eat, alright? Now we're gonna count to 3, everyone start cheering, okay? Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! I think you've got a fan club, Lynn. Alright, hey, Amira. What happened? We took the room up, she said. What do you want now? What do you guys think? Shall we have one more game? Yeah! Wow, only this side answered yes. Of course we're going to have one more game. And we're going to give the Zonda one more chance, alright? By popular demand from your side. Okay, now Zonda supporters, let's try to cheer louder because the louder you cheer, the faster these birds are going to run. On your mark, get set, and go! We have the draw out the winner this time round is Zonda! Okay. I see both sides are all happy now, right? Okay. Now let's give it up for the fruit gathering macaws. Thank you. We give our birds fun activities to do that are similar to what they do in the wild. Now this is called enrichment. In the wild, some birds will forage for seeds or even nuts. Now look at my friend Wani, well she's holding on to one of the many enrichment devices that we have. Now we're going to give that experience of how to handle these devices to one of our volunteers, right? Or rather she's looking for a couple of volunteers, preferably those that are very close to her. Alright, now the enrichment device is simply made out of ropes with some treats hidden inside. And in a very short moment, some of our beautiful friends are going to be landing there. And she's all set to go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all take a look at the next walk on stage. And here they come. Come on, wherever you are. Oh, there they are. Hey! I didn't see them coming. Alright, these four birds are the sun conures. Now, sun conures belong to the same family as parrots. How about macaws, the one that you saw earlier on? Those are parrots as well. Some are small, some are huge. Small one lives up to 15 years. Big one lives up to about 80 years. Not 1-8, but 8-0, alright? Now here in Jurong Bird Park, not only are we active in conservation, we get school children involved as well. Now the next box right over there is constructed by local students here in conjunction with Earth Day. Thank you very much to our Sun Conures. We need 2 more volunteers. Now get the attention of Lynn and Wani as well, because in a short while, we're going to bring up another beautiful couple out here to meet you guys. Now every morning, the male and the female toucans will leave its nest to find food to feed its young. Well, that's exactly what we're going to show you. We're going to have a lovely couple, Mr. and Mrs. Horn, out here to meet you guys. You have no time to volunteer now. Don't worry, we have a lot of other volunteering segments, okay? Our first volunteer is all set to go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all take a look at the huts. Can you see them? Oh, one is out, the second one is out as well. Our Toto toucans. Now, Toto toucans are the largest in the toucan family. They are easily recognizable by their bright and orange beak, but you can spot them from far. Speaking about far, you're going to be flying over to the other side. One of the ladies holding on to a monopod. Yes, I'm afraid my accent will prone the bird. Alright, good. Off we go. Now, despite having a large beak, toucans remain agile and maneuverable when in flight. In fact, they have been seen catching insects in mid-flight without even stopping. That's what we're going to show you, okay? Take a look at Lynn. Lynn will be tossing a piece of fruit as high as she can. There are monopods behind you as well. Okay, I bring my poke to you instead. Okay, and count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Up goes the fruit. Mr. Horn gets it. Yeah. Oh, not too worry. We've got one more tossing to go. Ready, Lynn? Positioning. 1, 2, 3. Up goes the fruit as well. And she gets it. Well, isn't it nice to have these animals very close to us here? Well, ladies and gentlemen, sadly, the population of these beautiful birds are rapidly decreasing due to poaching and deforestation. So please support your local conservation programs and save these beautiful animals, okay? Alright, toucans are very loyal to each other. When one goes, the other one will follow. Hope is that way. Your wife will lock you out. That's the husband, by the way. This way, your wife is waiting for you, okay? Our go toucans! Alright, now what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. And they do that for social communication. Well, the yellow knee Amazon, like my friend here on stage, is very famous for that. So, get your video cameras rolling, okay? Would you like to say hello?
Hello!
Okay, now tell everyone here, what's your name?
Amigo!
Amigo, that's his name. We're gonna try that again. What's your name?
Amigo!
Amigo. Now he's got a very nice heart, okay? What do you want to say to all these nice people? Oh, so sweet. Now Amigo, not only is he sweet, he's smart. He can count from 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, perfect. Let's try other languages. How about counting 1 to 10 in Chinese?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And thank you for counting with him as well. Good job. Okay, let's keep maths for now. Let's go into singing, alright? Amigo can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. The first song is a local children's song titled Current Lie. It means a guest comes to visit. Okay, Amigo, let's sing a song in Mandarin.
Current lie, tan, ba, 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 da.
He stopped halfway. Okay, hold on. Amigo, what's happening? You have to be focused, okay? There, at least you guys know this is not a recording. It's happening live, alright? Okay, amigo, focus. Let's sing a song in Mandarin.
客人来看爸爸，爸爸不在家，我的客人也在家，但是被他。
Well, let's give him a nice round of applause for that. Wonderfully done. Okay, now the next song originates from Indonesia. It's titled Rasa Sayang. It means feelings of love. Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat sudah jauh, sayang, sayang.
Wasn't that good? Well done. He sang in tune. Okay, the next song is special. It's for those of you celebrating your birthday today. So, if it is your birthday, could you please put your hand up and be proud? Who's celebrating your birthday? This side? No one? Okay, how about middle area? Anyone's birthday? We have one young gentleman in white. Ooh, where? Here? Where? How? Where? Okay, we have 1, 2. Another young gentleman in blue. 1, 2 people on this side. Anyone's birthday? 3. Another young gentleman. Oh, boys. Alright, for the 3 of you, Amigo will sing you a birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Well, happy birthday to the 3 of you. Thank you for being here on your special day. Alright, before Amigo goes back home, can everyone say bye-bye, Amigo? Bye-bye. Oh, thank you. Now he will say goodbye to you, okay? Amigo, let's say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
One more time.
Bye-bye.
One last one.
Bye-bye.
Alright, let's give it up for Amigo. Our yellow named Amazon. Thank you, Amigo. Now, parents like Amigo, they require a lot of time.